This is our bathroom addition. The original budget was to try to stay under $50,000. Of course, everything goes over. So, walking towards the entryway from the courtyard. But before that, I want to show you the beginning. Everything pretty much started out on paper. I would just print out everything and draw on top of satellite images. Hired what do you call those, architects, or I don't know what you call them. Pretty much made a floor plan for me. Got inspired from bathroom showroom and IKEA, and lots of graph paper. Pretty much wanted to have everything laid out, like every square represented 1 foot. So after the plans were approved, we broke ground. First step was to lay the piping. So we had to know exactly where each where the toilet, each sink, shower drain, we had to know where everything was. So after they laid the pipe, pretty much you start building the border for the foundation. So over here you can see we're just like making sure everything's level, make sure the pipes were, at the right pitch so that will drain properly. We laid rebar, give for the foundation, it's something for the cement to grasp onto and be more solid. You can even see my yard was not even done yet. We dug pretty much all the way to the front to the main line, and that's where we connected the new pipes. Yeah, my yard was pretty barren. Let's see here. So this is the entryway to my house. You can see I don't even have a flower bed yet or a bench. Pretty much nothing. Still had bars on the wall, on the windows. So concrete was poured. Probably took about 2-3 days, for it to be hard to walk on. Framing guys came in, started laying the frame. Pretty much walls are about 8 foot tall. This is where they put where the windows are supposed to be. Oh, I had a little side job while they were doing all that framing. I built a little flower bed. So the roof came in. What do you call these things? I forgot what you call them, but pretty much they're the structure for the roof. Then the walls came in. You can see I have the skylights, for lighting. Had lots of windows because we wanted lots of natural light in the addition. While they were doing that, I started putting an irrigation system in my yard, planted some trees and shrubs. So pretty much while they were working, I was working as well. So I had 27 tons of gravel delivered from a Star Nursery. Pretty much me and 3 other buddies each day would work 4 hours till about noon, because at noon it was like 100 degrees. This is my garden afterwards. This is like towards the end of the summer. I don't even have the sidewalk installed yet, but the plants were growing pretty well. I had a fountain, always wanted a fountain. So while the bathroom's getting done, we pretty much knocked down a wall in the master's bedroom where my old bathroom used to be. You can see there's some pipes on the ground and the wall. Pretty much just capped them up. It was a big mess. And during this time, me and my wife had to sleep in the living room. We just moved all our bedroom furniture out. You see the carpet, the original carpet's still there. It was so hard to pull that carpet off. They had like some kind of amazing super glue. We had to fix all the little cracks in the foundation on the floor before installing the new carpet. So we put some cement down. We got the vanities installed already. The vessel sinks, pipes. I think water is working at this time. The shower glass is not even installed yet. The toilet worked. So here's just a little view from one end. To the right side, that's the entry to my wife's walk-in closet. And this is like from the other view. Got my closet on the right, the toilet room, the patio, or excuse me, the courtyard door. This one is my wife's closet. It's 6 by 9. That was a good size for her. I love that window, that 4x4 window that looks into the garden. I had to put some blinds up so we had some privacy. So this right here is my closet in the works. I don't have as much clothes. I just have like a clothes rack and a shoe rack. That's all I wanted in my closet. Yeah, some more pictures. Pretty much all these closet stuff, the shelving and all that stuff is all from IKEA. Just the packs shelving. Got a Toto sink, a Toto toilet and a Toto bidet. We had to fine tune some areas, like file down some sharp edges, you know. This is the floor at first. We do a lot of scrubbing to get all that white stuff out, you know. Oh yeah, here's the sink. We're testing out the jacuzzi to make sure it works and everything. My wife picked up these faucets from Amazon. Much cheaper than Lowe's and Home Depot. It's just you have to wait for it to be delivered. So here we go. Thank God it worked. That's what I was thinking. We have an inline water heater, so that way it doesn't use up all your hot water. You know, you just fill it up, and then the inline heater is automatic. I think it keeps it at 110, 105 degrees, something like that. Shower doors are installed. Glass looks nice. I think we went with 80-inch high glass. Got the bench seat, pebble tile flooring. Got a little niche in there. Window. And the fan. The fan is pretty special. It has a speaker inside of it. It has a night light, regular light. It's a Bluetooth, I believe. That's how it connects to the fan. So this is the Rainfall. I really like this one. It's probably about a foot taller than me, so it feels really nice when it lands on you. Got temperature controlled digital thermometer on the shower. Got the body sprays, the jets, the massage, all that stuff. That pebble tile feels really nice on the feet. I love it. So just going through the functions. Got the handheld spray. There we go. So crazy when you first turn on, like the water inside of it's still cold. So you get blasted cold water until it mixes with the warm water that you already had it set on. So you kind of gotta step out of the way when you switch the function of the jets. The Toto toilet. Love this toilet. You can see there's no toilet paper rack. Little window. Got the fart fan. So the little thing comes out the little back end and sprays water in your butt. It has a blow dryer, so you can dry your butt as well. It's all temperature control. The remote control could adjust the positioning of the spray. You got 2 settings, 1 and 2. On the back is where you control the temperature of the water, the temperature of the seat, this heated seat, the temperature of the dryer as well. Very high tech, I think. So this is my vanity. You see we got the lights from IKEA, the mirror from IKEA, the flower from IKEA, the sink from IKEA, countertops, vanity. I like this vanity because you could use the whole top drawer from left to right, and it's soft shut. Oh, still have my tools in here. My closet. Pretty much just row of shirts, row of pants, and shelves and shelves of shoes. Place for my hats. It's pretty much all I need. My wife's vanity is shorter than mine. Hers is at 31 inches tall. Mine was at 36. She has more drawers than me. She has more stuff than I do. So pretty much this is the entryway to my wife's walk-in closet. Got double doors. Everything in here is pretty much from IKEA. It's the PAX shelf system. Yeah, we got the skylights also. It brings in a lot of natural light during the day. Here's my dog Zoe. So this is the bedroom. It's finished now. The carpet's installed. Pretty soft carpet. It's like probably about $2.50 a square foot. Added some cam lighting, new fan. We've got a sitting area where the old bathroom used to be. So we got the TV at angles. Either you could watch TV from the bedroom or the sitting room. You could angle it the other way. You could watch it from the hot tub. So everything's all done now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.